Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be dipping our toe into decorators. So alright, this is a quick little intro into what in the world decorators are. So you may recall it's episode 166, it's nested functions, and I'll go ahead and put that card here and a link to the description below. Decorators take nested functions and make them more readable. So alright, to give you an idea, this is the type of syntax that decorators use. So they sit atop the function that you'd like to decorate, and they do the added feature that this function does, but to make it a little more readable. And there was a lengthy discussion in the Python community when this came to be about, but we will go slowly like we always do, and there are several variations and types of decorators, but I just wanted to get the wheels going so you could go back and look at nested functions and familiarize yourself with those, and then we will delve into this because it can get pretty complicated. And as you can see here, we will do some that you can actually have two decorators atop a function, and it's legal, readable, and it works very well. So we will just be delving into more advanced things as we go through, and you guys can do it. You've kept up so far, and you guys are doing a really good job asking lots of good questions. And the poll that we took, I think a week or so ago, gave me a really good idea of the length of time that you guys have in Python. So I think this is about a good time for us to start adding this. So please drop any comments, questions, or now any concerns below. Been getting some of those, and you guys are asking some really good questions. So as always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll get going on this. See you next time. Bye, guys.